Alright, so instead of showing you just my solve, I am going to pin this Swap Meet dollar cube against this $8 official 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And just to get a little feeling of how fast each one goes. Oh yeah. So yep. Scramble this up, and then we are going to scramble this one. And if you saw my last video, then you already know that the tiles come off easily. And when I was playing with this a few minutes ago, one of these little white ones came off. So I have to tape it down using Scotch tape. But other than that, it's pretty cool. I thought it would just come out and be like my other dollar cube, but it hasn't so far. I'm hoping it won't. I'm just gonna give it to some friends, see how it goes for him, and maybe I'll go buy one next time. You know, you can actually probably make this into a void cube too, see? Alright. So here we go. See, now that is something that this other dollar store cube can't do. That right there. So time for that, 141.32. On to this one. Alright. Maybe it can do it. Never mind. Never mind, it can't. Got stuck right there. Dang it. Didn't see that piece down there. Ooh, that was smooth. So far, so good. No pieces popping out. Little lockup every now and then, but other than that, it's alright. Ah, tile. Done. 147.83. So wow, just off by like 5 seconds. So the verdict. Well, I've had this one for like a month. I've only had this one for a day. So I can't really make a clear verdict on durability right now. I'm pretty sure this one will last longer than that one, just for the main fact that this is $8 and this is $1. Cause you look at this is the third tile that came off already. I mean, it's easy to replace, just tape. Just get a little bit of tape right here. Make it into like a little double-sided tape. Place it on the thing, and just bang. Good as new. This thing it's smooth. Alright, so my verdict. If you really would just want the official cube, and this one's really just like smooth. Just like smooth. No pieces popping out, no tiles, stickers coming off. If you want the official cube, then get it. $8 to like 12. Got this at Walmart. But if you're just barely getting into cubing, or if you just like want a cube just to show off, then I'd really go for this one. Cause just 5 seconds off on solving it. And yeah, it's awesome. Cuts corners. Not that good, but still does. Pretty smooth. Just be ready to replace the falling tiles with stickers. See, look, I replaced this yellow one. Look at that. It doesn't even look like it has tape on it. So that's my verdict. Buy whichever one. $1 had a swap meet, and $8. So whichever one you want, you can get it.